Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southern Parker County in north-central Texas, southeastern Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, northern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Centel, or 17 miles south of Mineral Wells, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Penn, Centel, Stockton Bend, Dennis, Anetta South, Western Lake, Brock, Wapples, New Salem, Tentop, Horseshoe Bend, Anetta North, Oak Trail Shores, Crescent, Aledo, Lake Granbury, Willow Park, and Granbury. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 377 and 391 and near mile marker 417. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Now let's check on your local. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central EAS County in north-central Texas, southern Parker County in north-central Texas, southeastern Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, northern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Centel, or 17 miles south of Mineral Wells, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for southern Palo Pinto, southern Parker County, northeast EAS County, and northern Hood counties. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Penn, Palo Pinto, Centel, Dennis, Cool, Hudson Oaks, Weatherford, Western Lake, Willow Park, Acton, Bennett, Lake Weatherford, Wapples, New Salem, Tentop, Horseshoe Bend, Brazos, Anetta North, Oak Trail Shores, and Brock Junction. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 370 and 417. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. Prepare for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Tornado Watch number 288 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and now includes the following counties in Texas: Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Johnson, and Tarrant. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Wise County in north-central Texas until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Storm. Move indoors immediately. A tornado warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Parker and northeastern Hood counties. At 8:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles north of Oak Trail Shores, or 8 miles north of Granbury, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and 2-inch hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Stockton Bend, Dennis, Anetta South, Western Lake, Ropples, Tintop, Horseshoe Bend, Anetta North, Crescent, Oak Trail Shores, Brock, Aledo, Willow Park, Lake Granbury, and Granbury. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Wise County in north central Texas until 11 p.m. Central Day. National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Johnson County in north central Texas, southeastern Parker County in north central Texas, southwestern Tarrant County in north central Texas, northeastern Hood County in north central Texas until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Anetta, or 11 miles west of Benbrook, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Benbrook, Edgecote Village, Aledo, Burleson, Anetta South, Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Denton County in north-central Texas, western Collin County in north-central Texas, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Denton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Denton County in north-central Texas until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across Denton County. Radar estimates up to 2 inches of rain have fallen this evening with rainfall rates of 1.5 inches per hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, Coppell, The Colony, Corinth, Highland Village, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Sanger, Lake Louisville, Little Elm, and Prosper. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Tornado watch number 088 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And now, the following counties Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for east central Denton County in north-central Texas, western Collin County in north-central Texas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Corinth, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
and as it developed over Denton, it has moved right along Highway 380 here that runs from Collin and Denton, really across a big part of the state, but runs across Collin and Denton County. It's moved through Lincoln Park. I've heard some reports, I don't have any confirmation, but I have heard some reports of some damage on the east side of Denton, Lincoln Park, Little Elm, very strong winds. I've had reports of 70 to 80 plus mile per hour winds, but the tornado warning in this area continues. Sirens have been sounded all over Collin County. Sirens have been sounded all over Denton County, and right now the strongest part of the circulation is right over the tollway, right over the Dallas North Tollway in Frisco. The rotation signature is still broad, but the reflectivity product, that's our Doppler radar product that you're looking at, it still is very impressive in that it's still showing rotation with this thunderstorm. So although it's not as tightly wound, the circulation isn't as tight as it was maybe 15 minutes ago, when it was indicating the winds were near 125 miles an hour. It's certainly strong now, strong enough to have winds of 70 plus miles an hour with this. So whether they're rotating winds of 70 plus, or whether they're straight line winds of 70 plus, this raining in Frisco, but the circulation is just to the north of you. Our concern is some of these take a right-hand turn, and then you have a problem. So don't take this too lightly. McKinney, arrival time is 10:18. Fairview at 10:23. 10:23 in Fairview. Wetzel's at 10:26. Milligan 10:30. Lowry Crossing 10:33. Princeton 10:36, and in Climax at 10:40. That's the arrival time in these locations. Here's Lake Lavon, so all of these cities, obviously McKinney, Fairview, not there by the lake, but these other ones, Milligan, Climax, and Lowry Crossing, a little closer to the lake, Lake Lavon. So let's take that off. Let me look at the velocity data on this as well. And then we're going to zoom out, and I want to get everyone else's perspective of what's kind of messy here. The circulation isn't as well defined as it was. Just a lot of strong winds with this thunderstorm right now. Supercell that's in the process of